Paano nga ba kikita kay System.io? Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and in this channel ay gumagawa ko ng mga tips and tutorials that will help you to make money online through selling digital products. So if you are interested in my topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong videos. Sa mga baguhan, kung hindi mo pa alam kung ano ang System.io, si System.io ay isang all-in-one marketing platform where you can sell your physical and digital products, where you can create your own website, you can design your own funnel for your marketing, and also you can create email marketing and automations. At hindi lang yan guys, meron din silang mga affiliate programs. And kung ikaw ay isang course creator, you can also upload your course inside System.io. At saka marami pa siyang mga features na makatulong sa iyong online business. And also guys, ang kagandang kasi kay System.io is that you can create your account for free. And then yung free niya is lifetime na po yun. So ito na po yung 5 paraan kung paano ka kikita kay System.io. Number 5 is my favorite way kung paano ka kikita kay System.io. So number 1, selling physical products. Kung ikaw ay nasa e-commerce na niche or nagbebenta ka ng mga physical products gaya kay Shopee, then pwede mo din siyang gawin dito kay System.io. You can upload your product informations, create your own sales page, and then order form, and then your audience can check out inside System.io. Sa ngayon guys, itong number 1 way which is selling digital products ay hindi ko pa siya nasubukan inside kay System.io. But I'm looking someday na makapagbenta din ako at makapag-create ng physical products at ibibenta ko siya inside System.io. The second way to make money on System.io ay ang selling templates. Ito ay ang website design templates, funnel design templates, at saka email templates. So kung meron kang skills pagdating sa website and funnel design templates, then you can create your own templates and then sell it to your audience, gaya ng mga coaches, mga course creators, mga consultants. Kung ikaw ay nasa email copywriting na niche, then you can create your own email templates and sell it to your audience, lalo na sa mga business owners na nangangailangan ng email marketing. So sa akin guys, dito din ako kumikita by selling my own sales funnel templates na ginawa ko kay System.io and then binibenta ko siya sa aking mga kapwa entrepreneurs na nangangailangan ng sales funnel. The third way to make money on System.io is to offer services like website design services, funnel design services, email marketing and automation services, or even System.io support services. So if you are a freelancer na nasa website design, funnel design service, email marketing and automation, and also if mahilig ka mag-discover ng new tools like System.io, then you can offer services sa mga coaches, consultants, course creators, and small business owner this type of service, and you can use System.io. I'm so thankful kay System.io guys dahil dito ay nakapag-offer ako ng additional service sa aking freelancing na business, which is yung web design and funnel design na built-in kay System.io. At dahil din dito ay marami akong natulungan ng mga coaches when it comes to web and funnel designs. Ang kagandahan kasi kay System.io guys is hindi mo na kailangan matuto kung paano mag-code, which is mahirap siyang gawin, right? Kahit na ako ay isang IT graduate, nahirapan talaga ako pagdating sa pag-code, sa paggawa ng programs. And I was so thankful that merong System.io dahil yung pagde-design ay maging madali na lang sa'yo. Drag and drop na lang yung gagawin mo and then you will have a high converting sales funnel design. Marami na din akong nagawang mga video tutorials about System.io guys. Check mo lang sa aking YouTube channel. The fourth way to make money on System.io ay ang affiliate marketing program nila guys. So kung gusto mong kumita ng passive income na kahit wala ka nang gagawin, ay kikita ka pa din, ay highly recommend to check out the System.io affiliate program. Kung saan, ipopromote mo si System.io sa ibang tao and then they will sign up using your affiliate link, and if they are going to upgrade in System.io subscription plan, then you will make a recurring passive income of 60%. Yes, yung commission System.io ay nasa 60% po siya guys. So if you want to learn more about System.io affiliate program, ay meron po akong ginawang video nito. Check mo lang sa video nito guys, where I share my experience as a System.io affiliate marketer. Bago tayo magpatuloy, if you get value from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And also, if you are looking for System.io step-by-step Tagalog tutorial, ay meron po akong online course about System.io. You can check the details in the description of this video, guys. So inside that course, I will teach you more about on System.io, and then marami ka ding mga bonuses na makukuha. Okay? Basta check mo lang yung details sa description ng video nito, guys. And ngayon ay pag-usapan na natin ang number 1 way to make money on System.io. Ito ay ang selling digital products. So ano ba yung digital products? Digital products are products na hindi mo mahahawakan kung ang physical products ay nahahawakan mo, whereas yung digital products ay hindi mo siya nahahawakan pero nakikita mo siya. And then nabebenta mo siya. So example ng mga digital products are ebooks, mga online courses, mga templates, mga presets, mga apps, mga softwares, mga planners, at saka marami pa yan, guys. So if you really want to make money online, then I highly recommend na magsimula ka na din ng sarili mong digital product business. Masasabi ko na selling digital products ay isa sa mga lucrative way to make money online. Kasi gagawin mo lang siya ng isang beses and then pwede mo siya ibenta ng unlimited. And also, you will get 100% profits. Napakaganda po ng business model na ito, guys, and I can say this one has changed my life as a full-time mom. As of this recording, guys, ay nagbebenta ako ng mga digital product. Like nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung sales funnel templates, ebooks, and then yung online courses. So, yun po yung tatlong digital products na binibenta ko sa ngayon. At masasabi ko na malaking tulong talaga ang digital product business para magkaroon ako ng extra income while being a full-time mom, while doing my freelance work. Those are our 5 ways to make money with System.io. So if you are interested to learn more about System.io, so you can check my online course about System.io Digital Kit. Check mo lang yung details in the description of this video. Kung wala ka pang budget to avail my online course, then you can check my free tutorials about System.io sa aking YouTube channel, or i-check mo lang ang playlist na ito kasi andyan yung mga System.io Tagalog tutorials ko. Alright then, see you in my next video. Bye for now.